I'm Ian Rosengarten. I just did the oral surgery course here at NJHPDI. The reason I did it was I wanted to increase my confidence doing surgical extractions inside of my office. And what I really love most about this course is that I learned way more than I honestly thought I would. I came mainly to learn about surgical extractions, but they covered everything from alveoplasties, even third molar extractions, which until now I haven't done in my office. They covered complications as well. So, certain things that I faced in my career that really, got me nervous, and I had to think on my feet in my office. They told us how to manage it. They went through steps A through Z, and they really increased my confidence, going back to my office to do these procedures. The hands-on was awesome. What I really like is that, first of all, the models are super realistic. They even had, for the incision and drainage portion, they even had like material in it that, helped us sort of simulate what we would face inside, in the office when we're treating patients. They're even having us work on a pig's jaw, which I've never done before, so that's awesome. And yeah, it's just nice not to do, I've done courses where a lot of them are just sort of lectures and you take notes. But what I really like about this course is that a huge portion of it is very hands-on. And the instructor goes through even their own cases, and he goes through, even complications that he's faced and struggles that he's faced, which, really feel better as a practitioner since, these are complications. If you do enough of these cases, you do run into them. And it just really increases my confidence going back to my office, knowing how to manage these cases and, just how to treat these patients. It brings in more revenue for the office, and you don't have to send patients out. So it's awesome.